The Church of Pedro Calungsod, guys. Napakainit. So sa gilid lang pala ng Ocean Park dito sa Cebu, itong Church ni Pedro Calungsod. At kaharap ng SMC Cebu. Ano mama? Saan na? Oh. Yun, first time po namin na makapunta dito sa Ocean Park at saka dito sa Church ni Pedro Calungsod. So, malaki pala yung Church ni Pedro Calungsod. Sikat na muna tayo ng konti mga lods. Ulala. Nice. Yeah. There's the Ocean Park over there. And don't walk like that, eh? Ay, sit down there. Where's Mama? Mama G? So, yan. Nice. So, lapit tayo ba? We go there to Saint. Yeah, Saint Padre Calungsod. Yan. We must pray here. Papa Jesus hanging in the top there. Papa Jesus.
What Papa Jesus doing up there?
He is hanging on the cross to our sins. We must pray to Papa Jesus.
No, there's Mama Jesus. He's
Where's
praying.
Mama Mary?
There's Mama Mary. See? Mama Jesus. Kusna.
You pray.
Kusna, na.
You pray.
No.
You say bye-bye to Papa Jesus.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Papa Jesus.
Bye-bye.
See.
Here. So, pauwi na tayo mga lods. Shoutout na lang po sa inyo lahat.
We're going on the beach?
I'll just go there, watch the view. Pasensya na kayo mga lods ha. Mag-iikot lang muna ako. Unti. Kasi bukas uwi na kami. ang Bohol. At ngayon lang tayo naka pasyal dito sa Cebu. Sulitin na lang natin. Dito pala yung parang firing range area. Okay, go home na. Go home.
New one?
Yeah.
A new home?
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye everyone.
Bye-bye,
Hey,
everyone.
you guys.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Yeah, see you on my next video.
See you next video.
Louder. See you.
See you.
Bye.
Bye.